forgot to actually click on one of these. Since this is a, 10,000 feet above or whatever view. So I just wanted to click, say, on the finance. Then we can see how much stuff there is within that category. So it's not just like one package. There is lots of stuff. So standard regression models, even there, loads of things. Time series. A detailed overview of tools for time series analysis can be found in for volatility modeling. So you can kind of get a sense of how much the richness of what's there. And it just goes on and on. The forecast package adds functions for forecasting problems. We're going to look at that. I mean, that looks great. We looked at the start at what was it, Quant Finance, Quant something like that. So basically we can download financial data. Why not play around with this? See, okay, download some financial data, and then what can these packages do for us? What can they tell us? But there's even more. I mean, it is crazy. So finance, what else here? QuantLib, several option pricing functions. Great. Quantumod, I think that's what we looked at. Performance, random matrix theory. What's this? Ooh, price American options. So I mean, it's absolutely incredible. I mean, the selection of things that are there is unending. So basically, you might not be primarily interested in financial maths, but we saw that there were dozens and dozens of broad categories like this. So if you just pop into whatever area more relevant to you, everything is basically available. Functionality, even extreme value theory, that's one of my favorites. So great that they even have that. Credit metrics, risk simulations to estimate tail loss probabilities. I'm just going to keep popping down through this list because it actually has even more than I remember or expected. Books, analysis of financial time series, and we can see from here we're not even halfway through. Data and date management, okay. CRAN packages. You get the gist. There's a huge amount of stuff there. Wavelets, time series. 1 second, I just want to go, do they not have, what about neural nets? I don't have anything called neural there, but I'd be surprised if they didn't have that either. So that's just a quick look at just one of the task views, and that's why the packages have to be counted as another wow for R.